Vejthani Hospital stands as a prominent leading private hospital facilitating patients with over 200 beds. Operating under JCI standard of the United States and multiple clinical care program certifications. Accredited by numerous awards, the hospital offers a comprehensive spectrum of medical services, led by specialized professionals in over 20 specialized centers. Vejthani Hospital also earned a popular claim from the Middle Easterns that the hospital is the King of Bones. This recognition prompted us to build a new 6-story building bearing the name King of Bones. The facility is equipped with specialized centers that offer one-stop service, hip and knee center, total orthopedic center, spine center, neuroscience center and advanced rehabilitation center. Vejthani Hospital has the highest number of rehabilitation robots in Thailand, for effective rehabilitation of arms, legs and hands mobility, and for patients to regain their natural mobility to the greatest extent. Vejthani rules out diseases with the most advanced diagnostic technologies, such as MRI, and the latest CT scan machine that uses AI to analyze data, which increases precision of the test results. Vejthani Wellness Center is a place for your well-being even if you're not ill. Wellness Center comprises Health Checkup Center that provides one-stop service, Skin and Aesthetic Center, and Vejthani Q Life Center, designed to decelerate the aging progression. Through meticulously designed amenities tailored to accommodate each individual, both local and international patients can relish the facilities within the hospital premises. Vejthani Hospital never ceases to develop, ensures to provide unparalleled services to our invaluable patients.
Vejthani, victory for life.